That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support. The most important thing a man searches for in his life is his purpose. Some find it right away. For others, it may take a while. Then you have the ones that will never find it. And I really feel sorry for those who can't find it. Once you find your purpose, it's go time. You start your journey and you will have a vision on what it would be like. You will fail to foresee all the distractions that will come your way. You will have to juggle good and bad experiences. The question is, will either one interfere with your purpose? I've witnessed some men abandon their purpose for women, money, bad experiences, and being afraid of what others may think. For me, I do everything I can to stay on track. I've been met with many distractions on this journey, but I never forget why I started this. I have reminders all around me to keep me on track. I found my purpose, and there's a reason why I do what I do. That reason is simple: take care of my family and leave something for the next generation to build. I don't let anything or anyone make me forget that. Even when faced with adversity, I continue to push through like everything's okay until everything is okay. I have people that depend on me, and I couldn't imagine giving them a bunch of lame excuses on why I failed. I got too much pride for that. I don't know you, but I'm sure you have a purpose, and it isn't letting your vices stop you from being great at what you are put on this earth to do. It will hurt if someone or something tricked you out of your purpose. Those people are out there, and they'll do anything they can to get you off your purpose. They will use all tactics and platforms to discourage you. You know what we call those type of people. Obviously, they chose discouraging you instead of focusing on their own purpose. But anyway, pay them no mind. Keep pushing. Once they see that their tactics have no effect on you, they will move on to the next. The more you focus on your purpose, everything else will seem minute. You will start to see that most things won't upset you or distract you. Your true purpose will trump all. I said earlier, some would never know their purpose. We all have exclusive talents that allow us to carry out that purpose. Start off by recognizing your natural talents. What are you good at and what you're passionate about? I know this is my purpose because in the midst of things, I lose track of time. Sometimes I forget to eat, and usually I don't take breaks. If I'm not doing what I love, it always feels like something is missing or something is off. I'm at my best when I'm on my purpose. I'm at my happiest when doing so. Without a purpose, life ain't worth living. Take the time to get to know yourself. Figure out what you want out of life and use your God-given talents to get it. If your talents can't get you there, then take a look at what you're good at. That's a good place to start. And over time, you may be able to implement your talents. Take me, for example. I've always been good with my hands, and over time I developed the skill of detailing and lawn maintenance. While perfecting my skills, I used my talent, which is the gift of gab, to gain customers and clients. Sometimes your talents won't align perfectly with your purpose, so you have to be creative and apply your talents when necessary. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.